All right, if you're having an issue with your Samsung Galaxy doing a full factory restore, you'll get like a message after they send you the verification email to factory restore. It'll say one-time permission for Samsung account. I want to help you fix the issue. So one thing, of course, we go into settings here, and of course we hit that little gear shift for settings. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go all the way down to say about phones, software actually reset. And then from there, go all the way down, factory reset, and then click reset and delete all. But what'll happen is if you do that, it will tell you, okay, well, you need to verify with your email. One thing is you got to make sure that your battery is charged up to at least 50% or more. So that was what the problem I was having with mine. So go ahead and preferably plug it into a wall before you do anything, or turn it off and plug it into a wall so you can get a faster charge. Charge it up, to 50% or more. All right, that will help. That's number one. Number two would be to also need to check your Wi-Fi. Make sure that you go scroll to the top for your network and make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi, because that's another thing you need to do a factory reset from your old account. And then, of course, you want to make sure that you're doing it from your direct Samsung account. All right, those are the three things. And I've had another one where I actually had all that stuff squared away. Literally after the sixth time, it eventually did it. Make sure that your phone is not plugged up into a computer, like a laptop or a MacBook or a desktop, because if it is, it keeps trying to read the it keeps trying to read your account, so you don't want that either. So make sure it's fully charged. It is fine to have it plugged up, but you want to have it plugged up directly to a wall. Don't have it plugged up to your computer or anything. All right, let me know if that helped you, and make sure you subscribe.